In this video, I will explain goodlock one-hand operation feature on your latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S24 Ultra, or any other Samsung device. So if you want to access your Samsung device with the one hand, you can use this Samsung goodlock feature called the one-hand operation. Using this feature, you can access your device with the one hand only on your Samsung device. Let's see. First of all, you need to download and install the goodlock application on your Samsung device. By go to the Play Store, search for the goodlock, tap on a goodlock. Make sure install the goodlock application on your Samsung device. After downloading and installing the goodlock, open it on your device. At the bottom, you can find the plugin option on device. Now make sure install the one hand operation on your Samsung device. So tap on it. Here you can see the download arrow icon. If you already download it, so you can see the one hand operation. If you don't download it, you need to see the download arrow icon. Tap on it to download the one hand operation. Use your phone or tablet easily with just your thumb. So tap on the one hand operation. Now by default you can see the turn off. Before enable this feature, you can see the back arrow. Here you can see the back arrow with a circle on your device when you go back from left to right. Now when you toggle on this option, you can see the two horizontal, two vertical line here. When you turn it off, you can see it goes off. So toggle on it. There is a gesture handle to the left or right side of the screen, so you can control your phone easily with the one hand. Now here you can see the left handle or right handle. Now when you go back, you can see how it looks like this. Here you can see this type of arrow. You can up, go up. Let's see again. Go down, up, straight, and up option. Now tap on a left handle. This is the left handle for the left side. You can use first is the back straight right. So if you straight right, you can see the back key set. Now here we select the recent key option. In the left side straight, like left straight, it will open the recent application on your device. Like a diagonal up. Now in up here you select the volume up key button in the diagonal up. So let go back and up, and it will open the volume button on your device. Same diagonal down. Here you can select like here we select toggle mute option. When we down from the left side down, you can see mute your Samsung device. So you can easily use this left handle. Also you can see the long swipe option or align handle option. If you want to hide it, like just toggle of it. When here you can set the width like this, the left side only, small or large on the left side. Also increase or decrease the size like this, small size, large size. You set also set the position low or top, high position for the left side. Also change the handle color, like we select this, tap on handle color. Here we select. Now you can see change the handle color you want to set on your device using this feature. Tap on a done. So this is the all option for the align handle. If you don't want to use, so go back. Same here for the right handle. Now straight left. So here we select the app screen. When you straight right from the right side. Now straight right side, and you can see open the app function on your device. So it's quite easy. Select diagonal up. So we select the volume up key. When you diagonal up, it opens the volume key on your device. So this is the all setting you can apply for the right handle or a left handle. For you can also use this feature ally handles to increase or decrease width from the right side, increase decrease the small slide size, position low or high you want to set on your device. Also change the handle color like a yellow. Here you can see the handle color change on your device. So this is the all customization settings you can apply for the left handle or right handle you want. You can also add multiple handle, like add handle this, so handle automatically add. Tap on a delete handle to delete it from your device. At the bottom you can find the advanced setting option. Tap on it. In the advanced setting you can see the app exception. Choose the which application where the gesture handle won't be shown. So like here we select the calculator, by default turn off. So when we open the calculator, you can, you can't see, now you can't see the gesture line. So if you want to show it, go to again app extraction, toggle on the option. Now go to calculator on your device. When you open the calculator, you can see the gesture lines. Choose app where the gesture handle won't be shown and gesture won't be recognized. So here you can enable or disable the option you want to show on the gesture handles. The next feature is the animation. Here you can see the curve line like this. If you want to hide it, you can select the arrow option, arrow 3. Here you can see the cross arrow, arrow 2. This is the different arrow you can see, and the arrow 1 option. So here you can see the straightforward arrow. So you can select the arrow option. Arrow 3, you can, this is the arrow. Here you can fill the color in this, like first of all we increase the size. Now tap on a fill color. Here you can set a yellow color and a arrow color set. Done. Now go back and you can see the fill color yellow and arrow color blue on your device. Tap on restore default to set the default color. So you can also customize animation for this. If you want to get back curve lines, select the curve line. Here you can also adjust fill color, like this arrow color, this outliner color. You select this. Now you can see totally change. Here we change the arrow color to black to see it. Now you can see the color change for the animation style on your device. So you can also see the S Pen gesture. If you have a S25 Ultra or S24 Ultra, allow the S Pen to be used for a gesture. So you can use this. Also fit to keyboard, you can use keyboard. At the end you can see the optional landscape mode, quick panel. Like when you swipe down the quick panel, you can see the both the gesture handle on device. If you want to hide it, just toggle up it and then swipe down the notification panel, it will hide. So quite easy to enable, just toggle of it, and again when you swipe down the notification you can see the quick setting tiles. So you can enable or disable this option in the lock screen home screen to hide the handle using this one-handed operation setting on your device. The last one is the gesture settings on your device. Here you can adjust the gesture for a quick action, start action before you release your finger from the screen. Gesture angles, here you can adjust the gesture handle. You want diagonal up, diagonal down on your device. Also reset it to default settings on your device. You can also increase or decrease the swipe gesture for short or long. Here you can see the arrow icon where we increase like this swipe distance from swipe short or lot long you set. Also you can see the quick vibration setting, vibrate immediately when the gesture is recognized instead of waiting until you release your finger from the screen. And the last is the custom vibration intensity. If you want to set a custom vibration intensity level for one hand to operation plus or just the vibration level when you use go back or use the one hand operation on your device. So this is the all available setting for the one hand operation for the Samsung Goodlock application on your latest One UI 7 or other Samsung device. So this is the all one hand operation settings for the goodlock application on your latest Samsung device like S25 Ultra, S24 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So you can use which is your favorite, left handle or right handle, to quickly access any function with your thumb or any one hand on your device. If you want to turn off this or remove it, just hold up it and you can see remove the handle from the left side or right side on your device. So tap on three dots and tap on a reset setting to reset one hand operation to its default setting, and all data will be erased. Tap on OK to reset it to default settings if you don't want to use, and go back. So this is the all about the goodlock, Samsung goodlock one hand operation on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.